Oh. Evening everybody. Hey. So it's about 4:15 in the morning because Richard can't sleep again. We're at 900 degrees, 907. So this is a real test. So what's in here is a piece that I made around lunchtime today. Okay, made it at lunchtime today. I burnished it about 4 o'clock I started burnishing it. I let it dry this evening. I put it in the oven about midnight, just let it start warm out, try to get rid of a bit of moisture. Because I fired a few other pieces this evening that I made last night. I was rather surprised that they came a bit of a success. So this is really testing the clay out. This is one of my harvested clays, and I'm about to do something silly probably with it. Another form of kind of raku, Richo style. But hope you enjoy. And so far it looks like there's no cracks. So I made it today, burnished it this afternoon, dried it out in the oven tonight, and then chucked it in here. And now we're about to take it out and chuck it in cold sand. And do something different with it. So anyway, let's do that. Gas off. Tap off. Tap off. Great. Wow, it's glowing a little bit red. Oh, that looks great. I love it. And I'm not putting it down on any wood chips or anything. I'm just purely gonna do this. That's it. You want to go out now, girl, do you? You can go out now. I just wanted to put that fire baffle there. Let's have a bit of fire baffle where the dog goes in and out. He's all safe now. So, you want to go out? Oh well, we'll see how that goes. Check the results out. I don't know. I think I might burp it in about 5 minutes. Because I did something different with this. I burnished it, but I burnished it with brass and metal, and we'll just see what we'll see. We're going to see what happens. Anyway, it's Richo Rako style. Love yous. Happy thoughts. Smart words.